Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make roll kabab. First, you'll want to gather all your ingredients. This includes your choice of ground meat, a selection of aromatic spices, and fresh herbs to build that incredible flavor. Don't forget the simple ingredients for your dough, like flour and water. Having everything prepped and ready makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on these delicious rolls. Now let's prepare the heart of our roll kabab. Combine your ground meat with a flavorful blend of ginger garlic paste, a touch of chili for warmth, and fragrant garam masala. Mix it thoroughly to ensure all the flavors are well distributed. For the dough, knead it until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic, then set it aside to rest. Finally, shape your seasoned meat mixture into those classic cylindrical kabab forms, ready for cooking. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated in the kitchen is key, especially when cooking up a storm. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold and accessible. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to cook our delicious kababs. You can either pan-fry them until they are beautifully browned and cooked through, or grill them for a smoky flavor. While the kababs are cooking, take your rested dough and roll it out into thin, flatbread-like circles. Cook these flatbreads on a hot griddle until they are lightly golden and soft. Once everything is ready, simply place a kabab inside a warm flatbread and roll it up for a perfect bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.